there is something weird happening with Ryobi and other brands as well, and in case of Ryobi in particular with this workshop vacuum cleaner, or actually the older version of this one. I've already sold it. Make sure you watch my video about the comparison between the two. So the older one, here's the funny thing, if you have a UK version, officially does not support wet application, so you are not supposed to sack water with it, you know, do anything with water with it, only dry applications, whereas the US version of it, it does support officially the wet applications, and this one supports both dry and wet, both in the US and in the UK and probably wherever else it is available. So that's very strange, because the US version of the older one is identical, or it looks identical to the UK version. Yeah, the US version and the UK version, look identical. And Ryobi actually confirmed that via email to one of the guys that's on my Ryobi Facebook group. So he said he got an email from Ryobi UK. Yes, the old vacuum workshop does not support water applications. So that's very, very strange. So if you are in the UK, you either need to buy the US version, or better buy just the newer version of this vacuum cleaner. Basically, that's it. If you know why this is happening, how is it possible, let us know. And also from my experience, when I had the older version of this one, the previous version, I washed it. I used a shower. I showered it from the top, you know, and after it got dry, the switch got locked into on position all the time. So whether it was in 1 or 0, it was always on. So to turn it off, I needed to remove the battery. That was the only way. I sent it to Ryobi. They accepted the return and they sent me a new one, brand new. And since then, I was very careful not to actually, you know, shower it, just wipe it with a cloth. So that's interesting, huh? If you know anything else, seriously, let us know, because a lot of people would like to know what's going on, yeah? Thanks for that. Make sure you watch my comparison video, and see you in the next one. Ciao.